How to disable Remote Desktop in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it off so your PC can no longer be accessed remotely. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced. From here, scroll down to the Virtual Workspace section and tap Remote Desktop. At this point, keep in mind that this feature is only available on Windows 11 Pro and above. On Windows 11 Home, like mine, this option isn't supported, so you won't see the toggle. Following this, if you do have Windows 11 Pro, simply toggle Remote Desktop off from that page, and your PC will no longer accept any incoming remote connections. After that, any active remote sessions will be disconnected as soon as the toggle is turned off, so make sure whoever is connected remotely is aware before you disable it. From here, it's also worth disabling Remote Desktop when you're not actively using it, since leaving it on when it's not needed can be a potential security risk, especially on public or shared networks. Finally, if you ever need to allow remote access again in the future, just come back to the same Remote Desktop page and toggle it back on whenever you need it. That's how you disable Remote Desktop in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!